So do you want to go live on TikTok, but you can't? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 things you can do to go live. You want to keep watching. Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Quincy, and today we're going to be talking about TikTok. How to go live when you do not have 1,000 followers. Is it possible? Of course it is. I do know people that have 800, 900 followers and they're going live, and you want to know how. Let me show you a couple of things. I got 4 things for you. Make sure you listen, take some notes, apply these things, and I'm pretty sure you can be doing it also. Now the first thing, we're actually going to go to the TikTok virtual items policy just so we can read it, and this is the number 1 thing of the 4 that you have to be doing. The TikTok live stream program is provided by TikTok for users to live stream and use live streaming features. It is open to users of the services who are aged 16 or older. So 1, you have to be 16. Who is eligible to be a part of the program? Select users age 16 or above may participate in the program. Such users shall be selected exclusively at the discretion of the platform on the basis of various criteria, including their track record in creating quality content and number of followers, etc. So the number 1 out of the 4 that I have right now, for you to be able to go live and to get the live feature, have to have a track record of creating consistent quality content. And because of that, it's up to TikTok to select you to get the live feature. Somewhere along the line, someone said you have to have 1,000 followers. There's nowhere in the terms and conditions, user requirements and guidelines and all of that you have to have 1,000 followers. That's just around the ballpark figure that people usually get the live feature. Why? Because they've had consistent content, and the ones that get it are producing quality content. And you might say yourself, I have 2,000 followers and I do not have the live feature. Well, guess what? You need to make sure your content is quality. You need to make sure that you're posting consistently. And of course, don't forget the fact that you have to be selected. Number 2, just like another video that I created, this right here, on how to get any feature on TikTok, I'm going to tell you about this as well as for the live feature. You want to send TikTok a message. Let's go ahead and go, and I'm going to show you where to go to do that. So we are going to go to TikTok. That's my home page. That's actually my son. Go ahead and follow him, Mikhail Moreland, and he's on the For You page, right? And let's go to the 3 dots on the top right. Gonna scroll down to report a problem, and then at the bottom it says live/payment/rewards. You want to click on that, and then of course hosting live at the top. I can't start a live. You can read that if you want, but basically that's not helping us. So is your problem solved? We're going to hit no. And thank you for your feedback. Still have a problem on the bottom. Click on that. And we are going to put, this is if you feel like you're already posting quality, consistent content. Hi there. Thank you for your time. I have been posting consistent, make sure it's spelled right, quality content, and would like for my account to be reviewed. And just put a simple thanks. Hit report. This is getting their attention and say, you know what, hey, let's go ahead and check out this account. And then when someone goes to the account, they see, oh wow, you know what, they are posting consistent quality content, and then all of a sudden you have the live feature. Now this has happened in my video, as I mentioned, on how to get any feature on TikTok, where I've suggested a pre-written, typed out message for people to send TikTok a report ticket, saying that, you know, I've had this feature before, it magically disappeared, you know, my followers would benefit if I had this feature, and whether it was a duet layout feature or the microphone feature. And if you go to that video and look at the comments on that video, you will see that people are saying that they got it in under an hour. They got the feature. Oh, hey, thanks. I did this and I got it. So trust me. You want to do that, send TikTok a message and let them know that you are producing that type of content and you would love the feature and that your followers will benefit from you going live. Number 3, every time you make what you feel is a quality post, quality content, and maybe you're on it, tag at TikTok creators. In every post you do, they are still paying attention to who's tagging them, because that profile does not have 1 million followers. It doesn't have 2 million, 3 million. So this is, giving them a notification, whether they have it turned on or not. Someone's going to be scrolling and seeing. And so you're drawing attention to yourself from them, the TikTok creator's profile, to check you out. The reason why some of you don't have the live feature is because someone hasn't checked out your profile yet. And this is why you want to tag them, because you need someone. You're saying, hey, you're knocking on the door saying, hey, check me out, check me out. And number 4, the last thing you can do, now this is more so a trick if you wanted to trick your friends or whomever into thinking that you have the live feature. Let me start my screen recording here. Now, as you see, we're on my home profile. Now, I can go live. Obviously, I'm almost at 350,000 followers, so we know I can go live. But you have to have your account linked to someone who can already go live. Now, my son only has 800 followers, right? He's not producing that quality content. But let's go ahead and change at the top from mine to It's Elijah's World. Like I said, once again, this is just a trick. And see, I have 3 accounts. You see that? So go back to his account. It's a link to mine. But because I have live feature, when I get ready to go live on his account, like right now, it's gonna look like he can go live. So we'll hit that plus button in the middle. Boom! Right there on the right, next to 15 seconds, it looks like he can go live. So if this was your face rather than mine, and you were in the house, you could run up to someone, or maybe your friends, depending on whose account you're linked under, and be like, oh look, I can go live, I can go live. It's just for fun and games. But when you click on live, it's still there, but as you see, the button in the middle is just red. It doesn't say go live. So you click on it and it just starts recording. And then of course you hit stop, and it basically is just a TikTok. But it was fun while it lasted, right? But hey guys, those are the 4 things you can do to go live, to get that feature. I know most of you are saying, hey, I know if I went live, I could be making money, I could be getting prizes and coins and gifts from my followers. And then of course there's tons of people who want to see you live, and you know that you could benefit from it as well as your followers. So I encourage you to do those things. Once again, if you haven't already, look for the end of this video, where you can click on the video where I say how to get any feature. Look at the comments in those videos for those who have gotten the features that they wanted. Alright guys, hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It would greatly help me out. Plus, it would make sure that you are able to get content and videos that I put up. Turn on post notifications, that way you never miss a video. And comment and let me know if you're going to try this. Come back and comment and let me know, hey, it's been a week, it's been 2 weeks, I've got it or I didn't get it. I want to know. Give me some feedback. Also, drop in the links your TikTok profile screen name so I can go check you out and give you some feedback as well. Alright guys, I'll see you soon.